We are from Roy's Academy faculty team, and today we'll learn Course CBSE Class 10, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, Topic Arithmetic Progressions, Patterns in Daily Life. For obtaining similar video explainers, please connect Roy's Academy at 89108-90311, repeating the number again, 89108-90311, or another number, 89106000503. Repeating the number again, 89106000503. Ever feel like math is just stuck inside a textbook? Well, what if I told you it's actually a secret language, and it's all around us? Yeah, in your savings, in things just lying around your house, there are these hidden patterns, and today, we're gonna crack the code. So think about this for a second. What on earth could your salary, a ladder, and a little money box possibly have in common? I know, it sounds like the start of a bad joke, right? But the answer is this really cool, super simple math pattern. And trust me, by the end of this, you're gonna start seeing it absolutely everywhere. You know, our world is just jam-packed with patterns. I mean, think about nature. The incredible spirals in a sunflower's petals, or the perfect hexagons in a honeycomb. It's amazing. But what's really cool is that the stuff we build, our financial plans, the things we construct, they're filled with the exact same kind of predictable sequences. Okay, so it's time to become pattern detectives. I've got 6 puzzles for you, 6 little case files taken straight from everyday life. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to figure out the secret rule that connects some of them. You ready? Let's do this. First up, case number 1, Rena's salary. She starts her job making 8,000 rupees, and every single year, she gets a raise of exactly 500 rupees. So the sequence looks like this: 8,000, then 8,500, then 9,000. See that? It's a nice, steady, predictable climb. All right, case number 2, a ladder. The rung at the very bottom is 45 centimeters long. But as you go up, each rung gets shorter by exactly 2 centimeters. So we've got a sequence of 45, then 43, then 41, and so on. A steady decrease this time. Okay, case 3 is a little different. It's a saving scheme. Here, the money doesn't just grow by adding a bit. It grows by multiplying. It becomes 5/4 times itself every few years. So the numbers jump from 10,000 to 12,500, then all the way to 15,625. Now pay close attention to this one. The amount it's jumping by is actually getting bigger each time. Case number 4. Let's look at growing squares. Super simple. A square with a side of 1 has 1 unit square. A square with a side of 2 has 4 unit squares. Side of 3, 9 unit squares. So the sequence is 1, 4, 9. It's definitely a pattern, right? But is it the same kind of pattern we saw with Rena's salary? Let's keep that question in mind. Next up, case 5, Shakila's money box. She kicks things off with 100 rupees, and then every year she adds a flat 50 rupees. No fuss. So the total goes 100, 150, 200, 250. This one should feel kind of familiar, don't you think? And for our last case, we've got a classic math puzzle, rabbit pairs. The number of pairs grows according to this really famous sequence: 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8. You get the next number by adding the 2 that came right before it. It's a pattern, no doubt. But is it the special kind of pattern we're hunting for? All right, detectives, time to look at the evidence. We've got 6 different number sequences. So how do we figure out which ones share that secret rule? Well, it turns out there's a super simple test we can run. Let's get into it. Let's call this the difference test. It's easy. We just take a number in the sequence and subtract the one right before it. So for Rena's salary, 8,500 minus 8,000, that's plus 500. And it's always plus 500. That's a constant difference. Okay, what about the ladder? 43 minus 45, that's minus 2. And it's always minus 2. Another constant. But now look at the saving scheme. The first difference is 2,500, but the next one is even bigger, not constant. The squares, the difference goes from 3 to 5, not constant. Shakila's box, 150 minus 100 is plus 50. It's always plus 50, constant. And the rabbits? Phew, the difference is all over the map. Definitely not constant. And there we have it, the big aha moment. The secret is out. Rena's salary, the ladder rungs, and Shakila's money box, they all share the exact same secret rule. To get the next number, you just add or subtract a fixed constant amount every single time. The other cases, they play by different rules. One multiplies, one uses squares, and one adds the previous numbers together. So this secret rule we just uncovered, this whole idea of adding the same number over and over again, it's so important in math that it actually has its own special name. So it's time for the big reveal. It's called an arithmetic progression, or, AP for short. And that's literally all it is, just a list of numbers where you get to the next one by adding the exact same amount every single time. It sounds simple, right? But believe me, it is incredibly powerful. So every single AP is built from just two key pieces. It's like a recipe. First, you have the first term, which we call A. That's just a starting number, like Reena's starting salary of 8,000 rupees. And second, you have the common difference, which we call D. That's that fixed number you keep adding, like the plus 500 rupee raises. And here's the cool part. D can be positive for things that grow, negative for things that shrink, or it could even be zero. Okay, so you might be thinking, that's kind of neat, but so what? Why does this matter in the real world? Well, let me tell you, spotting these patterns is more than just a cool math trick. It's actually like having a superpower. I'm serious, because once you know something is an arithmetic progression, you can basically predict the future. You can figure out what Reena's salary is going to be in 10 years without having to sit there and add 500 over and over and over again. You can calculate how much wood you'd need for that whole ladder. It takes these simple little patterns and turns them into really powerful predictions. So, I'm going to leave you with this thought. You now have the secret key, the decoder for this really powerful pattern. Now that you know what to look for, where are you going to spot an arithmetic progression next? Could it be the way seats are arranged in a movie theater? Maybe the number of reps you do at the gym? Or even the way you're saving money? The patterns are everywhere. They're out there, just waiting for you to find them. This was an initiative from Roy's Academy faculty team, and today we've learned on course CBSE Class 10, Subject Mathematics, Chapter 5, Arithmetic Progressions, Topic, Arithmetic Progressions, Patterns in Daily Life. For obtaining similar video explainers, please connect Roy's Academy at 8910-890-311. Repeating the number again, 8910-890-311. Or another number, 8910-600-503. Repeating the number again, 8910-600-503.